Good morning, everyone. How's it going?
Morning.
Morning.
Christine, did you see Keith's comment? Look at the very top of the chat.
Yeah.
I spent 15 minutes trying to say compartmentalize. Can't say compartmentalize. Compartmentalize? Is that it?
Yeah, I still can't even say it.
That was a good one.
Say it. Compartmentalize.
There you go.
It's easier when you're reading it. But if you're trying to say it out of memory, like, good luck. My gosh.
Yeah, good morning, everyone. How's everyone doing?
Good morning.
So I was actually at the desk getting my trader's post set up, and I caught this short this morning in my Top Step combines. I don't have it. I just basically took this flush candle down to previous day's point of control off of the previous day value area high. So that was a nice little win. I locked these accounts out. I'm up $777.80 in each one. So
can't be mad at that.
No. And I've been finding some pre-market. I don't know what it is. Pre-market, just there's a little bit of moves before the open, but I'm never really at the desk. But now getting traders post all dialed in, I am. But yeah, so that was my little scalp this morning. How's everyone else doing? Morning, Jordan, Zach, Jordan, Jose, Lance, Scott, Chuck, Keith, the whole posse's here.
Everyone's here.
We should have Nick joining us shortly. Yeah, so any thoughts, guys, on the price action overnight? Christine, you seeing anything?
Not at the moment, no. I took some trades yesterday before the 15-minute range, and it's just not like there's no point. So I'm just going to chill and then see what the chart looks like after that. Question, when you guys do your levels, like your London highs, your London lows, do you mark it at the body like the candle body, or do you take like the wicks into account?
Ooh.
Because I like to do zones, so not necessarily just straight up lines, but like boxes. And normally I would put my first line of my box at the base of the candle and then like draw it to the end of the wick. But sometimes when you have such a big wick, depending on, like, I'm wondering, I'm talking out loud, so feel free in the chat if you want to respond. But I'm wondering, on those days, do I just go down the chart time frame so that I can just get a smaller range instead of having this like huge box of range that's not really going to tell me anything?
Yes. I usually use the wicks, but I may not be 100% right.
Mm-hmm.
I wonder if people use different time frames too, but I guess I guess the wick is the price is going to be the price even on the 1 minute to the 4 hour. Like the wick will be at the same spot.
Because on the 30-minute this morning, the wicks are like crazy for me to try to draw a range. But if I go down to the 5 minute, they're a little bit more like manageable. Like I could encompass the body and the whole wick, if that makes sense. Or do I just do a line at the end of the wick? This is a very technical question.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know the answer to that one. So hopefully someone in the chat will have an answer. Dave, maybe you could chime in.
But I do think you want to use the end of the wick just because like that is the very edge of the price action, and if they're going to sweep for liquidity, stops are going to be past that wick.
Past that, okay.
True.
Yeah, that's my thought process. But
yeah, because when we do look at equal highs and lows, we're looking at the wicks.
Yes.
And you'll see price will sweep the liquidity to the wick and actually overshoot it just a bit.
I'm going to go with that then.
And then whenever I'm doing my levels, like my any levels that I'm marking up, I'm going off the wick.
So we did sweep previous day's high overnight session there, which is kind of interesting. If we're thinking that ICT concept.
What does that mean?
Well, so accumulation, manipulation, distribution kind of thing. So
I understand now. Yeah. Thank you.
Just accumulating, and then they sweep it for the manipulation, and then in theory they're going to head lower to distribute, but
Okay.
So this is the power of 3, I believe.
More brain power.
No. I think they call it like PO3.
Oh
power.
yeah, PO3.
Oh.
Gotcha.
So I'm
I was
sure.
like-
I'm pretty sure Jade Cap trades like this too. You guys know who Jade Cap is, but he's trades in the prop space. Christine, you know who Jade Cap is, right?
Mm-hmm.
I don't think I do.
I mean, I don't know him personally, but
Well, you will. We will have him on the pod soon enough.
oh, perfect.
I should actually reach out to him. Who would like to see Jade Cap on the pod?
Well, obviously, I like him. Like all the interviews that he's done, and he's done really good, like with prop firms.
Yeah, I think he took out $2 million out of Apex this year, or $2.5 million. Supposedly Apex's biggest payout, but I still think it's Tanner's guy.
Yeah.
Tanner's
What do we
guy.
got for news today? U.S. quarterly employment and wages. I've never seen that before. It's red. It's not red folder. It's like red dot on my financial juice at 10 a.m.
So I don't know if you guys have checked out the new podcast. Came out yesterday. It's with Tanner, the strong trader.
I enjoyed it.
Yeah, it was a good one. Him and Lawrence both have such like good information. So it's a good one if you haven't listened to it.
Yeah, it's definitely a good one. It's Tanner's got a different energy to him. He brings a different energy to the conversation. So maybe it's all the pre-workout and creatine and juice.
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 The testosterone.
Yeah.
Have you ever thought about taking testosterone replacement therapy, Randy?
So,
where it's good for us.
I've looked into it, and I actually took it. Like, I did it in my self-administered probably 5 years ago, and I got really good results from it. But then, when I met Hillary, when we decided to get pregnant and all that stuff, I stopped a few years prior. And then since then, I've actually kind of been looking at it, but I think there's some other options you can look at first before you go to that extent. And then you want to make sure you're getting tested properly to see where your testosterone level's at there's a lot of clinics out there that willy-nilly just give it to you, and it's not it can be detrimental too if you have high testosterone or even decent testosterone levels to be supplementing with it. So it's a bit of a mixed bag for me right now. I'm not there quite yet again, but I've been looking at it. So I was actually, I think, talking to Jordan about it. Good morning, Jordan.
Well, we've been I don't know who I was talking to about this. I think it was maybe Jordan, but we're on this big peptide, and Andrew's looking at the testosterone replacement just because the people that we have been talking to have basically said yes, do it. Especially if you're over, I forget what age for a man.
I think it's 35.
35 or something. So yeah, that'll be interesting. I think he's going to start that. He's just did Debert today for that. So you can always let you know how it goes, Randy.
Yeah, no, I'm interested to know about the peptides. I've been actually looking at the peptides for quite some time too, and there just wasn't enough research, and a lot of the labs that were making the peptides weren't even labs. So if you weren't really where I could see Andrew sourcing it from somewhere very reputable, but a lot of people were getting these peptides that they're because they can be not shelf stable and this and that. And then a lot of these labs literally are in people's basements, just concocting this stuff up. And I think it's more about how sterile the environment is.
Right.
Affects the potentness of the peptides.
Nice.
But yeah, I'm curious to know about that BPC 157.
BPC 157, and then there's one that there's so many. Jordan, you probably know all the names. BCP 157, NAD plus, HCG, And then there's something 500 that you should be taking with one of them. I don't know. Oh, nice act. You're cycling and listening.
Good morning, D. Roy Stewart.
Morning.
Who's that?
I was just gonna say that, like, just saying that name sounds like, I wonder if that's somebody that's related to Dave.
It just so happens his first name is Dave also.
I was like D. Roy Stewart, just the way.
But he actually goes by Roy, so it's interesting.
BCC and TB 500, are typically taken together.
Yeah, I'm interested in the BPC 5 because I've had some knee issues.
Yes.
And I've managed to actually just with like manual intervention to get some relief.
So you want for knee issues, stem cells.
So we did whatchamacallit, the umbilical cord and all that stuff with Miles.
Oh, nice. So you got some stem cells?
We did that. We did all that stuff like proactively. There's one of our friends was doing it and they wish they did it with their first child and they didn't. But
so what do you get to explain that?
So Miles umbilical cord, and then the blood in the umbilical cord contains all the stem cells.
Okay. And then they can create cells from that too. So you can have like a big supply from one umbilical cord.
So Miles would be the like 100% beneficiary from those stem cells. Hillary would be, I think, 75% beneficiary, and then I'm like 50 or 25. So like if Miles got sick and he needed stem cells to help him get better, he would be able to use those. Hillary would be able to use them. I'd be able to use them. I just get the least potency from them.
Gotcha. So you can also use stem cells. Like Andrew got stem cell shot into his knees and shoulders.
Yes.
From a random baby, like not a baby we have. So, and his knee pain is gone.
Where did he go and get that done in Central America?
In Utah, yeah.
Oh, in Utah.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't think you were allowed to. I didn't think the states were allowed it for you to use stem cells that are not like your stem cells.
Nope, they allow it. And these stem cells were all from born like healthy babies. They're not in utero. Like there's nothing. Like the babies were born. Their umbilical cords were donated. He went to the hospital, picked out what he wanted, and then replicated the stem cells.
It must just be in Utah, Christine, because even Jordan said the same thing. Like it's like a big, what's the word? A moral thing in the U.S. of stem cells.
I think that has to do with how they get some stem cells. Like I don't know. I'm not personally.
We should have Andrew. We should just have Andrew on the stream.
If you're getting stem cells from like a donated, like healthy born baby, I'm not sure what the moral like argument is there, but maybe someone can enlighten me. Not that we want to get into like a political conversation, but
no. It's just that it
became legal there.
It's all political. Like I know multiple people that have traveled to Asia, Central America, got stem cells. We're happy with it. I just in the U.S. and Canada, it's a bit of a call it a gray area.
Yeah, if they're donated from a born baby, yes, and all healthy born babies, like obviously I don't think they do genetic testing on them, but there was no like issues, if that makes sense.
Yes. Mm-hmm. Now we just completely got sidetracked on peptides and moral issues.
Like this is the best.
Opening range is set.
Yes.
1 minute.
Wow, that was quick.
See what happens when we talk about not trading while we're watching the range set? It's good.
Why when you're talking about umbilical cords?
It distracts everyone.
The opening chat for the opening range.
I wonder what happened to Nick this morning. He must be in a juicy trade.
Or that.
So pre-market we bounced off previous day New York, and I am on the ETH view, electronic trading hours, and now we're seemingly rejected off of overnight VWAP. So we're kind of in this weird like pinching point from what I'm seeing.
Yeah, it looks like it. What do we got on the book here? We got orders 65.20 and 6,500 on the bottom side. 65.15, 65.20 on the top side.
I don't know how much weight this 7 o'clock news is going to have, or 10 a.m. news. Sorry, guys, if I ever say a time that sounds weird, we're obviously on the West Coast, so 3 hours behind New York.
I think we didn't really have any crazy news until Wednesday, I thought.
And then at some point here, we should talk about these new top one accounts. They are pretty damn good. I can't believe the price of them, and to have end of day drawdown. You would assume off the bat that they're going to be a trailing drawdown, but let's see what happens here.
Yeah.
Is anybody looking at anything? I don't know. We're above previous day's point of control, so I don't love the shorts. And you can see kind of here on that move down, you know, the buyers found some support down here. So we could see another quick move down, sweep these lows, and then want to come higher.
Yeah.
Go ahead, Christine.
The London lows, like you just said, if they come down, sweep that low, and there's a good reaction, then that's one of my levels I can take. Like I would take a long at that point. My concern is previous day VWAP. I do put a lot of weight on that level, so I want to just be cognizant of that level there, which is currently above London low.
What's London low?
We kind of swept London low already, didn't we? Or is that?
Well, I use overnight low, so maybe it's not London low, but overnight, like in
the overnight low is 65.04.
Yeah, I have it at 65.02.
Okay, well,
is that right?
Same, yeah, and then but like about you know, what time was this? 9 a.m.
9:06.
Like 9 a.m. It swept.
Yeah, 9:06. Christina came down to 65.02.
Yeah, but when that's still a pre-market low, is it not?
Oh, I see what you mean.
I see what you mean. Yeah. Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, Dave. She's 100% right.
Yeah, you're totally right. I'm like thinking we just swept it, but yeah, that is still pre-market, right? So
yeah,
Christine's the voice of reason. I love it.
Very good observation.
And I'm a little confused about what knowledge I have from stocks, because like I know that the futures market opens at 6 the night before, so technically, is this a pre-market? But like in Stockland, you like pre-market, like you open at 9:30. So I don't know if I'm confusing, but anyways, that's how I've been placing my levels. So I'm just gonna go with that until someone tells me different. Keep it simple, stupid, right?
Yeah. So I am seeing that the 200 EMA is lining up with our overnight VWAP right now.
Okay.
So 200 EMA, you want to be long above, short below kind of deal?
Well, if you look back, you can see it kind of been respecting on the lows to 200 EMA all night. It fell down and bounced off the EMA probably 3 times or so until closer to this morning. I guess it was around 4 a.m. or so. So 7 a.m. went below it, went back above it, and now we're back below it. So
I see. Good morning, Michael. How you doing, buddy?
So I
saw your DRC yesterday. I was wondering if you had there was a trade yesterday that looked like it was basically off band +2, I believe. So you could have taken it short, and it was like a triple top. And I was wondering if you had taken a trade like that, or if that was in your trades to take. But I don't think you did, unless I forget. Threw some money in a tasty trade to mess with my options. Nice, Keith. It used to be, okay. But now you don't take those trades anymore?
The Dow was kind of rolling over a bit, found some support there. Previous day, New York.
Yeah, I see that. Previous day's New York lines up with previous day's value area high on the Dow.
I'm not choose anymore.
On the Dow.
Yes. Okay, I understand what you're saying, Michael, because it did look like wait for them to go back into the ones and take the pull back into the ones. Okay, makes sense.
I might look to get long here if we get back above the The New York.
Did it not feel a little like yesterday, like choppy to you?
Yeah. No, that's what I kind of want to. I would kind of have a really tight stop and have it just below previous day's New York. Like a 6-point stop. I don't know. But I do see what you mean. And looking at Bookmap, that you think this thing wants to just spill over some more down to these 6,500s.
Short here off overnight VWAP. Yeah, that makes sense. I could see that for sure.
80% setup too, which is right at the 6,500 at the EPOC.
Nick, you're supposed to be on stream. What are you doing in the chat? Get your ass on here. Everybody's waiting for you.
Hey, Uncle, what's going on, man?
leave it up to Nick. He just jumps in the chat.
Did he forget?
Obviously, he forgot.
Maybe he was just a little late and he was like, all right, well.
Oh.
Okay, maybe I'm going to switch my bias and I like the shorts now. Who was talking shorts in the chat?
Well, I was.
Oh, Mike Short. I likey. Yeah, Nick, if you like, you can just jump in the studio now on your own, and then we can just pull you onto stage, I'm sure. I gave Nick the last seat, and I didn't ever realize I named the studio Christine. I don't know how that happened.
Yeah, I saw that. I was like, I asked you that before. I'm like, did I accidentally steal Christine's account somehow?
No, Nick messaged me last night. He's like, Team Christine.
Yeah.
I'm like, okay. I don't even know how to change it. I don't know when I did that, how I did it.
Interesting.
You
know, whole lot so far.
My only knock for the shorts, well, as I always have knock for the shorts, but is that previous day New York VWAP.
Well, if we take it down here, then
if we take it and retest it to the downside, I could see short,
Yeah.
but I understand the overnight VWAP like rejection.
This is what I would say to anybody looking to short it. I could see this. Like, you need to be looking to take profits or bringing your, like, once you hit previous day's point of control. I could see it sweeping this pre-market low here and then wanting to, go higher if it wants to, finding support at previous day's point of control. So I would need to see a break and a retest of previous day's New York VWAP, and then I would be very aggressive on taking profits on it.
Yeah, because we did kind of hold it there, right?
Oh, nice. Nina will hop on at 11. It's cold here today. I'm ready to go back to Mexico.
Yeah, the weather's gone to crap kind of here too, and it's getting like dark. It's still dark outside. I don't like this. Oh, well, look who we got here.
Oh, hey.
Finally figured out how to work the buttons on that thing he's got.
Oh my God. It's a computer and I'm old and yeah, it's just bad. It's just bad.
You must like it in Costa Rica.
What's that?
No, I was gonna say you must like it in Costa Rica because they probably still got like pay phones and dial phones and
phones. They don't have that shit here. They don't even have a post office here. Come on.
Really?
Yeah, really.
That's crazy.
Forget about sending me a love letter, Christine. It ain't gonna happen.
I'll just have to send it by email instead.
No.
Not as romantic.
That'll work.
How's it going, Nick? Any trades for you this morning?
No. Not seeing anything good right now.
Have you guys seen that new
No, here we
what's
go.
it called? Banana something or other?
Nano banana?
Banana? Yeah.
Yeah, Google's image creator.
Yeah.
Oh, is it
It's
good?
pretty sweet actually. I made a video of, or a picture of myself. It's pretty funny.
Can we see
Did
it?
you see that picture I
I'm
put on
gonna
my
see that
Instagram
right now.
of the ASFX TV logo on like the gym wall?
Oh no.
It's like it made like a poster and put it on like a wall in a gym. Like, it looks super cool. That was done with that.
Nice. Let me see if I can't get this up here.
Michael, where are you looking to take profits on your short? Oh, nice. He caught it all the way up here.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Lucky.
Yeah, I would watch this 6,500 level for sure. Such a
Hey,
round number.
Share my screen for 1 sec here. Oh, sorry. Check that thing
The
out.
market butcher.
Oh my
And
god.
that's my
Oh.
dog.
That's
And,
That's crazy.
my butcher outfit and like got a cigar. That was pretty funny, eh?
Oh,
You need to
that's
have a
dope.
meat cleaver in your in your left hand.
Oh, that's a good point. I should you can add it, you can ask it to add and remove stuff from the picture and everything. So like as you're so you can totally customize it from this point on, kind of thing.
Oh, that's so cool, dude.
Pretty sweet, eh?
I like it. That's good stuff.
So did you pay for the nano banana or did you just do a trial?
Oh. Yeah, that's just free, I think. Yeah.
There's your previous day's New York VWAP, Christine. There's your London lows touched again, or your overnight lows.
Mine didn't get touched.
Almost.
6502.
65.0250. But that, yeah, 65.02. So we're half a point away.
But you might just, who knows? It's a very small opening range.
Yes. Time to size right up.
50 contracts.
Let's go hog wild, Randy. Let me know how that works out for you.
How wild.
I just like, what is it there to like 13, 5 points?
Went on tilt pre-market in blue to account. Oh, sorry to hear that, Daniel.
Sorry, Daniel. What happened?
What strategy is this? Nobody's in a trade just yet, but typically we trade the the VWAPs and value areas for our strategy.
VWAPs and the bebops and the
VWAPs, pre-market levels, mean reversions, band 2, band 1.
the shit show strategy. That's what it's called.
Yeah, essentially.
Take a pick.
And some FVGs.
Oh,
The four of us are going to throw a dart at the board. Whoever hits hits.
All right, long or short?
Exactly.
exactly.
Or like Top Step had that silly reversal challenge.
So yeah,
Wow.
this is
That
a fun
was so
game.
ridiculous.
This is a fun game because we're not in a trade. But if you guys had to pick right now, would you be long or short? Pick.
Short.
I'll be
Long
long.
term, long. Long with a profit target at 65.13.
Ah, Nick, I love it. That's exactly what I was going to say. But even if you
Yes,
look
because
back on
we
the
think
15,
alike.
if you
Dave,
look back on the 15 minutes, it looks
Long or short?
on the 15 minutes. since that-
I'm leaning short, but I'll
you have to
wait.
decide. You have to decide.
Yeah,
No, you
short,
have to decide right now.
Short.
So 2 shorts, and I'll go with Nick long, just because.
Yeah, sure. Pick
So
No,
we'll-
I think Randy said long too.
Yeah, all
I
three
thought he
long.
said short.
It's 3-on-1.
Oh, then I'll go short. Let's cut it down.
Don't start changing your bias just because. Come on, Mom. You know better. Don't second guess yourself. It's all about the management, not about where your entry point.
So let's say 65.08 was our guessing where we started, and we'll see who wins at the end.
So far, we're winning.
I'm flipping long. Long. Go long, but do not hold too much. Thank you, Wanda. Just to be clear, none of us are actually taking these positions.
Good
It
morning,
was-
Nina.
Who was the guy that did the podcast that talked about drills, like trading drills?
Chris Drysdale, Trader
Chris
Drysdale.
Drysdale. And one of the drills was you have to either be long or short. So you would do this in a practice account, but this is to get like trading time and hours. And you sit in a practice account and you are either long or short.
Looking like the longs are working right now.
If we hammer through these orders at 13, this is just going to pop. But there's a lot of orders there, so I could see the...
It's 13, 65, 13, 25 has what, 650 something orders on it.
Yeah.
If it does manage to blow through that, I'm long.
Nice.
Small
Oh,
size, but
you guys see that on ES, eh? Because on MES, there's a little bit less. I mean, there's 150 and some other bigger numbers above that. But
NQ is just
why are you looking at MES on Bookmap?
I don't know. That's what I've been looking at. Should I not be?
Not for New York session. It's all institutions are on. I had the same issue, Dave, and I thought the same thing. And then talking to multiple people, like other traders, the levels on Bookmap in the New York session, you want to use ES because that's where the institutions are going to be.
Gotcha.
They're going to be using, and they're the ones that are going to move the market, not the retail investor.
Yeah, retailers are not moving price at all.
I don't see any news right now.
I don't think there is any news today, is there?
There was
not until
I was saying there was some U.S. employment, quarterly employment. It was red folder on my financial juice, but
yeah, it does. It says 7 a.m., which is I think it's our time, right?
Yeah. So it'd be right now.
I don't see that.
That's weird. I have to change my filters then, because it's not even coming up as anything
It's coming back in here, guys.
Yeah, much hotter volatility. I saw it on NQ, but that might just be sweeping it. Like NQ has moved past that pre-market low, whereas ES has not, which is what I'm kind of waiting for. Anybody else take a trade?
Sorry,
that would have been a nasty long nick to get into, and I was so tempted.
I'm glad we didn't. I did not call that well.
Well, no, those orders at 13, man, like there was a lot of them, and you needed some serious buying. Like that was almost like a fake out.
Oh, they're still there. There's more of them up there now.
Yeah.
Hey, Randy, sorry,
I just came off
the trader light again. For some reason, it didn't. Usually, it pops up right away for me, but.
Oh, yeah. So now they're gone.
They just disappeared.
Huh.
Nice job, Michael.
Interesting.
This is going to tip right over. Shit, I should get short here. I'm too late. I have a feeling this is just going to slide.
Don't FOMO into a trade, Randy.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, this is just going to tip right over all the way down to 6,500. Well, it's only 3 points from now, so. Okay, let me...
So I'm looking for an overshoot at this level, and then if it reacts back up long, then that would be an entry.
I'm taking that alert off my traders post line because I don't want to get picked up if this thing just slid, because I got this set up to take a long right now.
Accident, yeah.
So 23,825, Lance says.
What is a PO3?
That's the accumulation, manipulation, distribution.
What does that mean? You're in at 23. I can't say the numbers on NQ.
That's the bottom.
Are you going short? Oh,
I don't know what he's doing.
so you'd be going long? I feel like the overshoot on NQ was like too overshot.
Wanda FX, where are you coming in from? You're new to the group.
Oh, I feel like I'm.
Oh, this could be your play, Christine.
I know. Do I do it? Okay. I'm in. I'm trying it. It might be a little early, but you know what? I have to learn, so I got to take the chances.
Sticking by your short bias?
No, I'm not.
Oh.
Christine's doing these Kind of like how Tanner trades. Once the liquidity gets swept at the bottom, you take the move back up.
All right.
So I wait for a level. Like I have marked levels, and if there's a reaction at that level, and if the liquidity is swept at the low, then that would be an entry for me. But holy hell, the price that I got, not good. Not
What'd
good.
you get? 65.05?
65.0575. So I have a minimum 5-point stop. Normally I would which is just below the low. And I would want to front run the high of day. So really it's like a 1-to-1 trade. But I think it's important to follow the system versus trying to get a 2R. Like I would love a 2R out of this, but this is the more correct setup. There's just not a lot of like the range was so small for today.
Keith called you the anti-Rebecca.
Yeah, I am.
Are you always long?
A lot of the time, yeah. I will go short now, but a lot of the time.
I do think it's funny that we know each other's trades that well.
Yeah.
I can look at a chart and tell you where Rebecca went in.
Oh, for sure.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, yes. She's so good at those shorts.
Maybe Financial Juice is having problems this morning because my voice just got disconnected.
It's crashed.
So
on my thing it crashed.
I'm here. What was that again besides in that case buy?
Fine now.
No? %90 long bias. Nice. Yeah. I mean, overall structures, we're still sort of in that overall trend. We're trading above this. We do have a trend line below us where we've been holding for multiple days anyways, if not a week. I'm just hoping for us to sweep POC, really.
Where's the
Are
point
you
of
in a
control
trade,
right
Dave?
now?
Nobody's in a trade, right? I think
500.
Christina, are you still in your long?
Yes, I'm in a long.
her stops down at 6,500.
Yeah, just below the low at this current moment.
Then we don't want it to go there. Up.
Nick's thinking about getting long right now. I can tell he's tempted.
Yes, I am.
I know, Nick.
You know me too well, Randy. Or you're a psychotic. Psychic. Psychic?
Both.
Psychotic.
Both.
Yeah, a
Both.
little both.
I'm
A
both.
little column A, a little column B.
Fighting that view up right now.
Trying to get some evals. Michael, talk about that's almost. I know you're not in DGen, but that's like trying to get more evals so I can look for more trades. It's like the obsession talking.
Get
So what
one
I've been-
account and call it your degenerate account.
Yes, it's
Exactly.
good. That's great. Are you going to do top 1 evals? If you are, use code Christine.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hold on, I got to pause. I've been called.
See ya. Took that New York there finally. We do have a fair value gap lining up with the 200 EMA from pre-market right at what is this time? The 6 o'clock or the 9 o'clock candle. That's lining up also with our overnight and our 200 EMA.
I'm long at the overnight view up. So
Nice.
Can't get long yet.
I'm practicing patience today since I overtraded yesterday. There you go, buddy. Look at that.
I'm just worried about the 65.13 level.
Should probably need to cover a bit there for safety purposes.
There's no covering a bit with this system that I'm doing.
Oh, yeah. True. Popped into
Come on.
took it there.
I'm going to start bringing my stop up. I'm going to get taken out of this probably, which is fine.
There you
A
go.
little bit of green is still green.
I'm out.
Nice. Good trade there, bud.
Nice trade.
Thanks.
Yeah, that was good timing.
This is going to keep going, but this is the copy traded account, so I just kind of wanted to be a little more cautious today, guys. I haven't traded these accounts for a while, so it probably wasn't a big winner, but you know, it's $50 in the one funded account, and then in the evals it would have been oh, I must not have them attached. Yay.
No.
Oh, too bad.
I had the
Boo.
funded account attached. Let's go to Apex here.
Well, I mean, you made a little real money, though.
Yeah, and I traded. I'm okay with it. I gotta be. This is the learning. Me and Nick were talking about this. The learning curve of this thing's just going to keep wanting to go. Yeah. So, I wish I made more on my Apex account, but
Sorry, guys. I hit my TP on that.
Very
let's
nice.
go, Christine.
I didn't have it set quite at 2R. Actually, I kind of set it wrong. What did I get out? What was my price? Exit price was 65.15.
Very nice. That's like right at the top.
Yeah, and you know, I think that might have been a mistake, because I should have front run the high of day, but I guess my greed crept in a little bit, and obviously it worked out, but I don't know if it would always work out. So I do try to hold for 2R, but if the high of day, if I'm trying to front run the high of day, then sometimes it might not be 2R. So that's like a question I should write in my DRC. I also did have a late entry. So I think sometimes you have to keep that in mind when you have a late entry. Like if you're following a system, you might not get the full 2R if your entry is shit. Like your TP should like look at where the entry kind of should have been, and then that's how I'm viewing it. But sorry, I missed what happened. Who got a long?
Oh, I took a long off of the overnight VWAP.
Nice.
And I took profits at 65.13. So
yeah.
This is actually, if this price pulls back down, it will actually work out really good. I was kind of beating myself up a bit that I thought this was going to go higher, and I got out of the trade.
Yeah.
And then some of the accounts were copied, some weren't.
Right.
So at the end of the day, the funded accounts were copied. Those all are green.
Nice.
So I'm good with that. And then I had that pre-market in those 4 top step combines for 700 each. So I got to be content with what I can get out of the markets.
Did you take a trade?
Sure.
Did you take a trade?
I think Nick's been flat, but
Oh.
No, Wanda, I don't think you should quit school and focus on the market. At least not watching us. I'll tell you that. If you want to learn how to be a comedian, maybe you can definitely learn a thing or two from this group.
Yeah, you learn to be a bad comedian.
Dave, I'm gonna pull your chart up for a sec if that's okay. I just
Sure.
gotta run.
Yeah, if you guys have a chance today at 10 a.m. or I guess it would be 1 p.m. West or East Coast, I released a little clip of that duck race that we had the other day, the 20-minute duck race. It's actually pretty funny, so you have to see that.
Amazing.
Just because we had some funny conversations about it during it. So Trying to get
Randy
some
did one that was a 45-minute duck race. You're doing 20-minute duck races. What is wrong with you people?
Yeah, that was Randy too. So he's like, put it in. I was like, Randy, it's 20
Oh, it was
minutes.
Randy both times?
Yeah.
Figures. All right. I'm long.
Nice.
Oh, as soon as I go long, it
I
turns
know.
red.
I was like, ooh, hopefully this turns. It might just be a bounce though. But your stop would be close, right?
Yeah. And if I lose, I'm going to lose $25. I put in 1 micro.
Oh, nice.
If it goes in my favor, I'll add to it. If it goes against me, I'll lose, like 25, $30.
I'm just like, I feel like we're just stuck in this range right now. I just don't really know what to do here. So flat. Yeah, so I took a couple of trades on the stream yesterday, and I started to copy trade my 150K accounts. I took 2 losses back to back and end up max loss on both of my accounts. So, but then I took I have some Lucid test accounts. I took some trades in those, and I basically, between my Lucid test accounts and I have one Trade Evade account, I like ended up 500 at the end of the day. So, but I definitely over traded yesterday, so I'm trying to rein it back in.
And I got stopped out.
Oh, poop.
Yeah, I lost $25 on that trade.
Oh man.
There'll be another one soon.
Yeah,
Oh,
exactly.
starting to hold a little bit on that New York.
Mike multiplied.
So you guys
Mr. Schwartz, you don't need to do the math for me now.
Yeah, don't do it. He doesn't do it till the end of the day.
Don't make me feel bad.
Nick, are you on the 5 or the 1? Or I think you on the 2.
I use the 15 for
Yeah, I remember.
trend. I enter on the 5. I manage on the 2.
Gotcha. See what that 15-minute candle's doing, kind of idea, and then zoom into the 5 and manage on the 2. Yeah, that makes sense.
I used to manage on the 1, but I tend to cut my trades really short, prematurely, really, when I do. There's just too much noise.
Mm-hmm.
Anybody do anything fun over the weekend?
I went for a hike.
Nice. What did I do this weekend? Oh, we went to the fair.
Nice.
And I saw the best looking goose I've ever seen. You should Google a Toulouse. Hold on, let me look. Toulouse. What's it called?
Yeah, financial juice is still messed up for me anyways.
Look up a Toulouse buff goose.
Toulouse buff.
Yeah, they look like it's like a fairy tale goose to me. They're like so. I just love them. I just want a goose.
Toulouse.
Show the people, Dave. Show the people. A Toulouse buff. They're from France.
Super cute. Let's see if I can open this up here.
Oh, look at that goose.
That's a cute little goose.
God. Is that not the best looking goose you've ever seen? Like the males, they have these like things hanging down and they look like they're stoned with their like eyes. Look
Yeah,
at
I can
that
see that.
high. He's just like so chill. Oh,
Oh.
man. Oh, now you're gonna have like
Get spammed.
3 ads.
You're gonna be getting ads for chickens here.
Yeah, which is fine for me because I got a whole bunch. You know, I got like multiple different chicken breeds.
Oh,
Some of
yeah.
the coolest are
You wanted to lose.
Easter eggers.
Do you subscribe to Chicken Fancy?
No, I don't.
Do you have
But I
any
bet you my mom does.
Dave, do you have any silkies?
Oh, so sad. I
Whoa.
used to, but the bear ate it.
No.
Our favorite chicken is our oldest chicken. Yeah, got eaten by the bear.
I'm
Where the
sorry.
hell do you live?
In Canada. No, I'm
You're
in
not
Mission.
Our favorite chicken got eaten by the bear.
Do you not
Yeah.
have like a bear safe chicken coop?
Well, yeah. So what happened was so last year we had a bear break in and we lost 8 chickens in 3 days.
Oh, wow.
So I put an electric fence up, but over the early spring we had some blackberry bushes grow, and if they touch the wire, it shorts it out sort of, so it's not gonna zap the bear. And the bear climbed over the fence and stole a chicken this year on us. So
And it was the silky?
yeah.
Oh, that's so sad. JP, they do look like they have British accents. They absolutely do. That's day anchor break. Got it. Okay, I understand.
Nice. 847.75. So you're on NQ, I guess, right?
I'm still watching this trade, even though I'm out of it, to see how it ends. Does it end at 2R? Because sometimes these trades can come back and retest. So it's good to see, like, even if you've exited your trade, prematurely, I'm fine with it. But it'll still be good for my data to see if this trade does go 2R or did it hit, like how did it actually turn out, so I can keep that in mind for the next ones.
You really are following Tanner's playbook, aren't you?
I'm trying to be a lot more like methodical, I guess. Just like follow the system, wait for the trade. I found with VWAP that there were too many options for trades. And for me, they were too discretionary. Whereas now I have technically 4 levels: pre-market low, pre-market high, yesterday's high of day, yesterday's low of day. So I only have 4 spots, like 2 spots for longs and 2 spots for shorts. So I have to wait for those to be engaged with. I have to see a reaction, and then it's my job to like enter into a trade. So that for me is better than like if you look at how many times it touched the VWAP today.
Yeah.
Like I could have entered 1,600 different times. Like it's just too much for me. This is a better system for my personality.
Yeah, and it seems like with the style that you like to trade is like more along the lines of the style that Tanner trades, which kind of makes sense to get some mentorship from there.
Tanner,
also.
Tanner does they do reversals, but he also trades the VWAP. Right now, I'm focusing on the reversals. So basically, the sweep of a low or overshoot of a level and reaction. That's my challenge with VWAP too. Yeah, Jordan, I don't think VWAP trading is for everyone. Nick does it well. Randy does it well. I mean, Austin does it well. For me, no.
Today's a pretty hard day for anyone to take those trades so far. Yeah. Like Randy did an awesome job managing that trade. That's why he came out green.
Yep.
But if you look at that 15-minute candle, that's pretty nasty. Like we had a huge wick down to
15-minute chart. Just looks gross. Looks like
broke through the opening range.
What is it, like the black flag tattoo? You know their logo?
The black flag.
4 bars.
Yeah.
Good job on your trade.
Now, are you talking about the band or the insect killer?
Oh, I didn't know there was an insect
Oh.
killer.
Black Flag.
I don't even know the band Black Flag.
Yeah, that's right.
Oh.
Totally right, Michael.
Edged. Yes, I prefer
And-
edged middle, Michael. Thank you.
No, man. No, JP. I literally went to bed. I go to bed super early some nights, by the way, full disclosure. And I had Derrick Henry. And anyways, the guy I was playing with had Josh Allen, and I was up like 30 points. I was up on Hoser, Dave. So it's week 1 fantasy football. I'm up on the guy who's he's the commissioner, runs the league. I go to bed thinking it's in the bag. I wake up in the morning to a tweet of Josh Allen being a GOAT. And I was like, I open it and I'm like, he came back for 46 points. And Hoser beat me by 1 point, Dave. 1 point.
Stole
Like
it.
I was mad. So there's my update on fantasy week 1.
Week 1, eh? Nice.
And here's our breakthrough opening range low.
Mm-hmm.
Lovely.
So- Yeah, exactly. I got hosed. Fucking right.
Got
Oh
hosed
man.
by Hoser.
Hoser hosed me.
So we got the 200 EMA right at the bottom of that 15-minute candle right there on the 15-minute chart. If you go to the 5, I think it's up higher, but yeah, you can see the 5s actually hold above all this price action here. So if we can take that, that's pretty key level here. There we go.
Oh, I like that.
Now we just need to break that POC. Nice.
So now if I do want to take a trade, I have a bucket of TOF 50K pro accounts that I can take a trade in.
Nice. Yeah.
I've disabled the trade copier on Traders Post, so that can't be engaged or anything weird can happen now. It's been fully disabled. And yeah, so this is the thing I like about Nick having the buckets. And I'm gonna be just one trade per bucket, and that's it, win or lose for now, until I get to a place of just more discipline, being able to handle trading the larger size via the accounts.
Yeah.
Don't think about it too much.
No, I'm just mentally like I'm not overthinking it. I'm just letting my getting into a flow state, if that makes sense. Like this is how I want to trade him. This is how I'm going to trade. Czar, what's up? Good morning. Christine had some technical questions. We needed you earlier. Where were you?
Pushing lower here.
Oof.
Bit of a boring session today. Gold was fun today. Yeah, gold's a beast.
You trade gold?
I don't. Bazaar does.
Ah. Oh, sorry. I didn't see the chat down there. Sitting here looking at these candles.
It's hard to when you're streaming, multitasking and having all these the chats open and looking at everybody commenting. So
Yeah, I'm not the best multitasker anyway.
I gotta start doing this sound effects more. Dave's on it. I can see Dave loaded the studio up with a bunch of sound effects, and I gotta start getting that. You have it all set up to your hotkeys?
No, not yet. But I got this I found this a gamepad thingy that I used to have on the side. So I'm gonna hook that up and try to put all my hotkeys on there. Sort of act like the StreamYard or the Stream
Deck.
Stream Deck, yes.
Timu or one of them makes a knockoff version of a Stream Deck. It must be cheap. I don't see why it wouldn't work. It's just sending a it's very simple.
Yeah.
But I'm gonna actually set up my Stream Deck now, one of the things for streams, so I can make sound effects and add stuff.
giving it applause after you win the trade.
Yeah.
Or
fireworks.
One of my favorites is actually if you lose the trade, you can go with
Want. That's The Price is Right.
Yeah.
Randy, we know you're old. You're not hooking up a Stream Deck. You're actually plugging in your Casio keyboard from back in 1989.
Hey, come on now.
I had one of
I was
those.
8 years old in '89. I'm not that old. What are we doing here? Everybody basically flat in the chat. Did I miss anything when I stepped off there? Anybody take any trades in the chat?
I took a long. It went against me.
He won one micro, $25 loss. So
Yeah, I think so.
Did anybody introduce themselves to Wanda? She said, "I'm Wanda." By the way,
No, sorry. I think we missed that.
what's that?
that's Dave in the top, Nick below Dave. I'm below Nick, and then Christine is at the bottom. We should actually put Christine at the top. Someone's going to complain about that.
Hello, Wanda.
Hey, Wanda.
No, you leave Christine on the bottom. She's the one who's holding us all up.
Yeah.
It's a sign of respect, God damn it.
Lost trying short PML.
Pre-market lows. Yeah, those shorts are tough.
Yeah.
They're very inducing right now, the shorts. If you go back, like now you might finally get that move after like it, the market pushed higher, swept all those stops up at the top of the opening range. And now we could see it wanting to come lower. But then again, we're 6,500 is such a key level.
Those round numbers are always
Actually short in my TradeAvate account. I've been short this whole time ever since we made that comment.
Oh
So
my gosh.
$500 right now, so I'm gonna start covering here.
See the crazy.
Dave, you gotta say something. Come on.
So Dave, you were short. You're making money. I went long. I made money.
Beautiful.
Like there's nothing more simple than that, people.
No, I made money short pre-market. I made money long New York session.
I covered most of it there. I only got 3 contracts left, still up $200. So
Perfect.
Did anybody notice Jose was in a trade? Like this is a first.
Yes.
Oh my
no,
gosh,
it's not
I
a
missed that.
first. He takes trades, Randy.
Jose, is this your second trade of the year?
No, it's his third.
First trade of this quarter?
It's his third trade since we've had him on stream. I think this is like it might be his third trade since we started streaming. Right, Jose? Also, what are you drinking today? I don't think I got that update. Unless I missed it.
I'm gonna trail this pretty tight here. This last 3 contracts. I guess you guys can't really see there, but
Nice work, Dave.
So Jose's a morning drinker?
Yeah, of
He drinks
monsters and
Yeah, depends on the day.
yeah, energy drinks.
Less than 5 for sure.
Jose
Sometimes
sent me a video yesterday of a house so Jose owns a junk disposal business.
Yeah.
And he sent me a video of a house that he was doing yesterday. Holy shit. If you ever watched that show, Hoarding Alive or whatever, oh my God.
Was there like good treasures or was it just like...
It just looked insane. You can ask him if there was anything good. I doubt it.
probably not, right? I'll try to take one more off here.
Well, I have us right at all-time high VWAP currently. Just hitting that.
We took one more off there.
Oh, now it's blowing through that. Sort of.
Nice trade, Dave.
Yeah,
Another
really
one
good.
there. Last contract now. I'll just leave this guy, see if we can let it run. Do you like the spider web there?
What's Texas pecan coffee? Or do you say it pecan? Pecan or pecan? Jose, are you excited for me to move to Texas? I am.
Like anywhere in.
I thought you were moving to Mexico.
Well, after Mexico, we're going to go to Texas.
Are you out of the trade, Dave?
No, I still have one contract here.
Let's go.
Going? Are you going to shoot for low a day? Yesterday, low day, 64.90, 25.
I'm kind of trailing here. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna move this up if it comes
can.
back. I'm still up $90 on this last contract here.
Nice.
This was definitely a good trade.
Michael, just outside of Austin.
Oh yeah,
I'm moving
I
down
never
to
even
Austin,
looked at their stream here.
What's that, Dave?
I never opened up their stream. Usually I have it running on the side here.
Whose stream?
It's because you're
ASFX.
Oh, this is the only stream that matters now, Dave.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, Dave, this thing's gonna keep going, buddy.
Don't make Evan cry.
Yeah, what do we got here? We're pretty much at the lows of what is this? Yesterday's lows? Yeah.
Oh, Randy, I think I'm going to be on the ASFX live stream with you next week.
Yeah, I saw Austin posted something in the group.
Nice.
I had to remind Austin that I was talking to you about it yesterday. Nice trade, Dave. I love it. The ASFX one is.
I got in 3 lots of 3s.
You got to watch what you say, Nick. You got to be proper. You can't be like.
Oh, I know.
You can't be in here like. Actually, you can say whatever the fuck you want. To be honest, I don't think Austin cares.
No. It's,
but you got to remember it's somebody else's platform, right?
Yeah,
So,
yes.
Exactly.
Makes sense.
Wow,
Still
are you
good.
still in that short?
Yeah, I got one contract. I'm going to trail it down a bit further. That last contract, up $105 right now.
Nice work, Dave. This an Apex account?
This is a trade of 8 one.
Oh, take profit. Nice. This a pro? This is still a combine.
This is a combine, yeah. And I'm about halfway through this one. This
Good
is my
work, man. Right on.
3rd trading day on it.
You planning on passing it today? Because
No, we can't
Wow.
pass it on today.
I do like how they put the 5 days take
Con.
profit on the combines.
Yeah,
Just
and the whole no consistency rule is once you get to live or once you get to fund it is the big draw for me to get there.
Yeah, but you got to be also really careful with that too, right? Because that can get you to promo stuff. That can get you to. Do you know how many people probably trade take profit pro accounts and thinking that they're going to take like $1,000 out of the account that day and they're going to YOLO it? Lots.
Yeah.
Right? It's a marketing gimmick. Unfortunately, it's another fucking marketing gimmick by these prop firms.
it is.
To get
But
you.
you should use that to your advantage. If there's no consistency rule, I was just talking to Owen about this morning. You go in with a normal trade, say you're trading one contract on a micro. You go in with the one trade. If it goes against you, you lose fast and you lose cheap. If it goes in your favor, you add to it as it's going and you maximize on your profits. If you have a runner like today with somebody short, Dave, you add into it as it's going down, you take your profits and have a good rest of a day.
Yeah, I definitely like that. I can see utilizing that for my trades. Like once I've had more experience with them,
Mm-hmm.
but like getting in low and keeping the losses low. Because like, especially when you're kind of your system, Nick, like, you know, if you're wrong really quickly.
Yeah.
Really quickly.
Which is why I lose $25 to $75 a trade.
Yes. So if you're in profit, adding into it makes sense because the trade is working, you know, and you know that it's working quickly as well. So yeah, I like that system for sure.
Yeah, I just want to make sure that my losses are as small as humanly possible, and I maximize my wins as much as possible. Like today, I took a loss.
Yeah.
Am I upset about it? No. It was approximately $25 per account. So.
Yeah. And we talked about this on the strong trading coaching call last night. Like, learn the game that you're playing. So probabilities. the law of large numbers, how casinos win. These are all like someone said, it's not a win or a lose. You're drawing from the same deck. So it's a game, like you can't tell when you flip a coin, you can't make it be heads. Like we all understand the probability of flipping a coin, but do you truly understand the probability of your system? Because if you did, you would never be upset about a loss. If you follow your system, you're going to get losses. And understanding the probability of that, it helps mentally.
And I think casinos average, was it a 53% win rate? Is that correct? Or is it 63? Either way, it's not huge.
No.
But that small win rate or small win rate is enough to make millions and billions of dollars.
Mm-hmm.
If you have my win rate is about 78% for my day win rate.
Yeah.
So I know if I'm taking losses, as long as I keep my losses small, I'm going to come back in a day, 2-3 days later, and I'm going to make back that loss.
Nice, yeah. Yeah, I had a question, Nick. So in this situation, because I still have one runner from basically up there at 65.12, would you think about adding on a pullback here and just keep going with it? Or because I could take some risk-free ads here, and still easily stop out more than break even, right? Because I'm, the price is so far away.
At this point, I was looking at getting into a short, but the price is too far down right now for me. You've got orders above at 64.95, 64.97. Yeah, I would wait for a pullback and add into it. I'm waiting for a pullback to get into it, so. Either that or just trade until 11 o'clock, for the lunchtime dry up.
Mm-hmm.
Wait until 3 for a reversal.
Kind of
orders just came on down at 64.90.
I'm gonna look to get short if we can close below 64.92. See how this candle closes.
So you're looking for momentum, and I'm looking for a pullback.
ES is sitting on its previous week's value area high and basically sitting on the its low a day anchor. Just broke it to the downside.
And we do have 64, 76, and 73 as our. I started actually adding my developing POC. So every day that we have another session, I just
I'm short.
Measure it up.
Oh, did I get? Almost got stopped out. I got my stop at just at break even.
Nice.
So let's see if I get stopped out. I got stopped out. Plus $5. I'm done. That's it. I could feel the FOMO kicking in.
Yeah, lock yourself out.
Yeah.
I locked my account out.
We are sitting right on previous day low right now too. It's kind of a pretty key area here. But yeah, so I got previous month point of control down at 64.73 also. We still got that naked point of control from last week Tuesday. Even lower.
There's actually on everything, Dave. I think there's a naked point of control below us. Or did we already cut through it from yesterday?
I thought that we touched it at some point.
All right, Dave, what is the naked point of control for anyone listening who doesn't know what that is?
So when you do your value areas, the point of control, so you get your point of control is the most active price through the day where there is buys and sells. And then you have the value area high, value area low. So if there's an 80% chance when you open up the next day, if you haven't engaged the point of control, that you will engage it. So in the case that it never gets engaged, then that's called a naked point of control. So that's why from like last Tuesday, we had a point of control that never got touched. And that's what I got here. I'll just bring over my trading view chart here real quick. But so, I got my developing point of control, which is like the current price action point of control, the previous month point of control, and then that naked one down below. So at some point, we're going to come back here and touch this naked point of control. But when that's going to happen, we'll find out. Yeah,
so
go ahead.
Sorry, I just entered into a markup. I locked my accounts out, so I can only do this on markups. My price would have been 64.9250. The yesterday's low of day was swept with a strong reaction. I would enter, and then my TP would be about overnight low. So I'll let you know if that one works out or not.
So my limit order just went through.
Yeah.
So I'm in a short now.
Okay. Cool. Cool.
64.98.
Yeah.
I just actually put one on right as you said that at 64.9925, but it didn't quite get there. So for that ad.
You're gonna go grab another coffee, guys.
Ooh, get one for me.
Okay.
I'm on past my second one so far. So
Yeah, this will be my third if there's some left. Oh, hopefully. All right, I'll be back.
slammed my creatine again this morning.
Well, that's why I had to
Pouring it
quickly.
dry into your mouth and gargling.
Yeah. So I've been using CapCut for my videos lately, or not CapCut, sorry, Opus Clip.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty good. I love it. It's thinking about subscribing actually, paying monthly. It's like $19 a month.
I have a paid subscription, Dave, you can use for now.
Oh, really?
I'm not using it anymore because I got Austin's video guy doing my clips for me.
Gotcha.
And I paid for the
Probably
year.
using it too, eh? Oh, you
Sorry?
paid him. Oh, you paid like the account for a year.
Opus is paid for a year, so I'm literally not using it. So just use it if you want.
Nice. Sure.
I'm a big believer in I'd rather just you get something out of it than me just give the money to Opus, right?
Yeah, just
Because it was so much cheaper to pay for it for the year. It was like $200 or something.
Mm-hmm.
So I just paid for it for the year.
Nice.
And I used it a lot. I loved it. I would take my daily review videos or the stream, put it in there and chop it up into clips.
Nice.
You just got to go through and edit the clips a little more and fine tune them.
Yeah, definitely. And I like how you can add like those voices and stuff, like the hooks. Yeah. It's pretty sweet.
Might be having nothing but losers today. Orders are now coming on up above my entry price.
That could just be a wall to want to push it lower, right? So
long at 64.96.
Check that one out. I got an 82 out of 100 score on it. I don't know if it's going to be
Nice.
good or not, but
Nice.
mastering candlesticks and more.
Cool. Do you tell people to change their candles to blue?
No.
Oh.
They can
I'm
use
going to
whatever
change the color of
they
my
want.
candles from red and black. Nick, what color are your candles? Green and black, right?
On this one, red and green.
Like a normal person?
Yeah, like a normal person, Randy, not like a Canadian.
Oh, I do like Austin's all black though.
Oh, I can't. I just
Black up and down?
OG red and green as they were meant to be.
I don't know.
Are
I
you-
just watched a video where they're talking about how that can like induce emotions. So I was like, let's try some other colors, and then
I know.
stuck with it. So
I'm gonna change mine to yellow and blue.
I know someone who's got Clayton Wells that was in the BSC had yellow and blue.
Yeah, I just don't like U of M, so I can't do that.
Oh, so that's probably why it's yellow and blue. I knew there was something to it.
Looks like a nice
All right.
little short off the all-time high VWAP.
Is that what you got there?
Yeah, I have it at.
All right, I just added into this short.
Yeah, it's rolling over pretty nice here. Let's see it break these hammers would be nice.
Yeah,
I never
96.
quite got my fill. Sorry, go ahead.
No, I'm just saying it's at 96.50, the all-time high VWAP, unless I'm wrong, which is possible. So double check yourself, people.
I'll be right back. 1 second.
What's my Amazon doing? Ugh.
Everybody say hi to Ralph. Where is Babushka?
Ralph, buddy.
What's going on, Ralph?
So cute.
How's he feeling now? Better?
No.
He's doing okay. His cough is better right now, but he's got an oral hematoma. If anyone knows what that is, basically like he broke some blood vessels in his ears, shaking his head. So now he's got one of his ears is like a balloon.
Oh, poor guy.
Just because his overall health isn't excellent, the doctor wants to just try to let it go away on its own, but it takes like up to 3 months. So that's why he's wearing the little purple babushka there to like hold his ear so he doesn't flop it around. But yeah, this guy's had a rough life. I mean, good life, but a rough life with all the problems he's had. So getting that bounce there. Am I going to get tagged in at just at the 500s?
I'm long in a single account. I like this hold of the lower day VWAP.
Ooh, guys, you should answer Trevor's question. Loom. I have that downloaded. He said.
Yeah, so
yeah, go ahead.
Loom's a good free one, I think. I don't use Loom. I used OBS. OBS is a little complicated, but once you get the hang of OBS, it's super cool. But I think Loom, I know a lot of people have used Loom.
I got my ad there at the 500s. So I got my stops. Just above break even on these worst case scenario.
So are you in drawdown right now or no?
No. This is that was a free ad. That's the only reason I'm really doing it. Still up 65 currently, or $60 in this trade. So
I'm actually gonna add in, bring my stop up to break even. I'm either gonna make no money on this trade or I'm gonna make some money. So let's see.
When did you get in a trade?
I got long, I don't know, 5 minutes ago.
Okay. Good job, Jordan. Closing out.
I think
So
if you make
God.
I was just going to answer Trevor's question there. So if you have somebody who you're sharing your markups with, I mean, videos definitely make it helpful. But yeah, it's a little easier for your trading partner to see your video, what you did, everything.
So I'm gonna just start pulling my stop up here and taking some profits. I think I'm in 20 contracts, so
nice.
So I did something I rarely ever do. I ended up reversing. I just hit the reverse position button at 64.97. Took a little bit of a loss on that second trade, and now I'm in profit by how many points? 3.5.
Oh, Nick.
Nice.
Great job.
Okay.
Yeah, looking like I might get stopped out here.
And there we go.
And am I going to hit TP or am I going to get stopped out? What do you guys think? I'm mid candle. Got my stop at 4 points. Oh,
You're in a
actually,
long?
shit. I closed the position plus 450 because I have a consistency score on this account.
Oh,
It would
yeah.
have took me out at 600, but I don't want to make more than 450 in this account.
Was that automatically closed it?
No, I don't have any risk settings set up in this one. It's the new
Oh,
50K
yeah.
Ignite, the 50K, the new 50K account. So
They don't have risk settings, or you just didn't set it up yet?
I didn't set it up. I just got the account this morning.
Nice.
It's one of the new ones. So I will set up the risk settings in it now. Dave, are you still in the long?
I'm in the short still. I added to that short, and I got my stop. They're just above the price here, not by far, but they're both in profit. So if worst case scenario, I'll be
The
out.
same short from the top?
Yep.
Oh, so that one contract, then you added one more back in.
Yeah, exactly. At the 500 there, 6,500.
Nice work. And then Nick got out of his trade. You managed to get
Yeah.
green on that too, Nick.
I did get green, just light green. I'm up total 1 point for the day.
Part of the
Trevor,
reason I'm doing that here is because we have this trend line. See this trend line here? We've been in that for quite a long time now. If you scroll back here. So I'm hoping anyways, a little hopium on that one, but that's going to reject off that trend line that we've had for quite some time. So.
Trevor, back to that conversation quickly. I'll just add my 2 cents to that. In the Black Shirt Club, we started working on, if possible, Austin was kind of getting people to do video report cards. And doing a chart markup is awesome, but if you actually walk through that chart markup and made a video and then you let somebody watch that, they will literally be able to immerse themselves in that trade with you. And it just helps with understanding the emotional side of the trade, what happened, maybe what went wrong, maybe what went well, how you handled it. So, and I think it's just great practice to go over it. We talk about, Christine and I and Thomas will talk about our trades whenever we get into a call every morning, or every other morning we'll jump in a call and we'll talk about our trades for the day. So definitely worth doing. And then, send it to pick a random person in this chat and send them the video. And see if it's going to be their markups too. Everybody's here to grow. Yeah, good idea, Jordan. It's a tough one for sure. It's good you got that awareness to shut it down before it gets out of hand.
Yeah, don't pull a Dave yesterday.
Yeah, I didn't know if Dave wanted to talk about it, but if he had a bit of a tilt day yesterday, so
It happens to everyone.
100%.
Telling you, get a degenerate account.
Just go buy it.
That's what I did. So I went to my other, I locked out. Well, obviously after those max losses, those get locked out, which is good. Protect that capital, but in my funded accounts. So then I traded, evals after that. But like I said, I just kind of went a little on tilt and over traded those. Luckily, it came out green in the end, but definitely could have gone the other way, right? Took some good trades though. So.
Was it during the New York session or overnight?
Yeah, during the New York. Yeah. I kind of caught that, caught some a short later and then a long later also. But in between there's a couple, scalpy kind of trades I shouldn't really been in.
The scalpy trades are tough, but one thing is if you're sticking to this is where I think Nick probably does really well on his downside is because he doesn't let his loser, he doesn't move his stop. If anything, he moves it more to take a smaller loss. You don't ever open your stop up, right, Nick?
Oh no, absolutely not.
And I think if you're going to have a scalping mindset, I think that is probably one of the first things you should master is understanding that if you're going to scalp and have tight stops, you do not touch your stop.
because if you're scalping like that and you're trying to go for 1R, 2R trades, you're going to lose your accounts immediately. You can't do high frequency trading with a 1R mentality, wanting to move your stops around, because every time you open up that stop loss, you're increasing your risk. And if you're scalping and you're only winning 60% of the time, but you're a negative R trader, you're just slowly eating away at your accounts.
Mm-hmm. Just need one of those losing streaks, right?
Yeah. And we all have them.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know anybody that hasn't had at least a 2, 3, 4 day losing streak.
I think we need
Nina wanted to
Randy
jump in the
summon
chat.
a flaccid candle here.
Well, I'm out of my long now, so I'm good. I'm good with that. I could definitely summon a
Flaccid boner.
Inverted boner candle.
Let me know before you do that so I can get a short on.
Well,
Christine,
I'm
what
kind
are
of
you
like
doing?
the way we're chopping here at this moment. Like we came up to that 65.03 and it just like got all volatile there for a sec, but didn't go higher. So
Did Christine pass out? She hasn't moved in like 6 minutes.
Yeah, I don't know.
her mic's
Oh,
off.
I think I saw some movement.
Yeah, she's on the phone or something. Her mic.
Oh, okay.
Christine, wave if you're okay. Do something. Oh, she must have
Blink
turned the
twice if you need us to call someone.
She must have turned the volume off too. She must have the volume turned down.
She hates
Yeah,
us.
she's on the phone.
Somebody throw
No.
something at the screen. Hopefully, everything's okay. Nina wanted to jump on, guys, and we have 4 cameras. I don't know why. Should I get out of here? You want to hang out with Nina?
You know what? I think I should get out of here. I've taken my 3 trades for the day. I'm up 1 point. I got nothing going on here. It's a bullshit day for me. So
If you guys want to see Nick on Thursday or any day, to be honest, actually, he can come on with Dave anytime. So holler.
I don't know about that. Dave will get real irritated with me real quick.
No.
I'm sure you two would work just great together, and I'm not even kidding. So
The butcher and the baker.
yeah,
There we go.
exactly.
Perfect.
Nailed it. I love it.
Baking up those trades and chopping up those charts.
You guys are so funny, man. Oh God, you two got to come on together. Well, Nick, you enjoy your day, brother. It's good. Always good to have you.
Yeah,
on.
I think I'm close.
Here.
I'm gonna close up this computer. Tell Christine I hope she's okay. And
I'm back. Sorry. I had to call Andrew about a house.
Well, go enjoy the beach, Chris. Nick said Christine, but
I want to go enjoy the beach.
Oh, come on down.
Perfect.
Don't worry. We'll be down at the beach every day in a month. So
Perfect. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Have a good one.
Thanks, buddy. Enjoy your day.
Thanks for enjoying me.
So that markup that I was in did work out, or it would have been a 10 point, which was 2R.
I like that as soon as you said that, Christine, and I watched price kind of hold that previous week's value area high, that kind of got me looking at the longs.
Yes.
And then I waited for a break and a retest of the previous day's value area low with the hold of the lower day anchor. And I got in, I took 6.5 points out of that move.
Beautiful.
Right up to previous day's New York. And that was your markup, right? From the bottom up to previous day's New York view up. Like, beautiful. I like those trades.
Me too. I think I'm taking out the word strong reaction, because one thing Tanner didn't know, like how he said it, was when I sent him my markup of today, the trade I took, he said, this is a great example of liquidity sweep and reclaim. The issue is we never know how strong the reaction, hence why it takes a couple tries. So instead of looking for a strong reaction, I'm looking for a reaction. And then I won't know how strong that is until you're kind of already in the trade.
I like it.
So my notes were, there was an overshoot, a low taken out, reaction, TP set for overnight low at 2R. That's the trade.
That's Jordan. That sounds like my yesterday's trades. So
Yeah.
I hit max daily loss in my 2 funded accounts, unfortunately. But like Randy, I think Randy said this a long time ago, is tomorrow just small red, then small green, then big green again.
I'm just reading a post that Lawrence put in the chat where he talks about he woke up in a terrible mood and didn't want to trade, yet alone get on stream. But he felt it was his duty to uphold it in a way, and so he forced himself to do it. And once he got off stream, he went on till took took 3 trades instead of 1. Placed his stop tight after the 3rd loss, and he was able to call it. So good on him for that. But he's just saying like how important it is. And Dave was saying this yesterday, that if he didn't feel like trading today, Dave wasn't going to trade. But he changed his mind this morning. So, and here he is.
Yeah.
And guys,
But
welcome. We got a new guest
in my eval. So
Nina.
Everybody say hi to Nina.
Hey.
Nina's here in the flesh. Nina, how are you?
Hear us yet?
Uh-oh.
Oh, we lost her.
Ah.
That's okay. It's first time growing pains.
So that add in on my trade is in the money now.
I still can't believe you added in, Dave. You crazy boy.
Well, I only had 1 contract left, so I'm only risking, break even on that. So
True. And you had taken your profits on the rest of it. So you didn't have to, you left your stop where it was and then just added in. So you were still break even on the trade.
no, yeah. So because I had dragged my stop down, once I added in, it's just slightly below my average price. So if if it tags it out, it would just get out of both contracts at a small green. So one would be a loss and one would be a win on those contracts. Yeah.
Nice. Jordan, this is something we talk about, is like the the hierarchy of trading, like big red, small green, big green. So it's gonna get there. The big greens, don't worry, will come on their own. Definitely some days it feels like we have to have those big greens, but as long as you're having a small red and not a big red, you're headed in the right direction. And then eventually they're small greens, and small greens turn into big greens. But the key is just not to have the big reds. Like, you can have the small reds as part of the process. Like, we're not going to win every trade. Look at Christine. She has like a 4% winning rate. What is it? 3.5? I'm just kidding.
Have to
You know that. Christine is actually a wicked trader. She just likes to, she's very patient.
Look at that trade today. That was a great trade.
I have a 41% win rate on this account.
And I think, what is Tanner, 35? 30?
Yeah, around 35, 40.
Yeah, I thought he was in the 30s.
A little bit higher now, but I think with a 35% win rate at a 2R, you're good to go.
You're making money.
Yeah.
Nice.
Something that I've heard Lawrence say recently, Jordan, is if you're break even, you're doing too much. So do less, is the advice that's floating around, which a lot of us are break even. Also, another thing that they talked about on the call is through all the, Lawrence and Tanner have talked to a lot of traders, right? And Tanner said, it seems like you're doing nothing for so many years. And he said, it's seemingly from year 7 to 10 is when you make life-changing money. Lawrence said year 6 seems to be a magic number for a lot of traders that he's talked to, because he would binge listen to interviews, and year 6 is a very magic number. So, I mean, a lot of us aren't at year 6 yet, or 7. So think about that. You're probably where you need to be of keeping yourself alive and just getting better at your craft. And the day will come when you're making private jet money, but we got to go. You can't, no one, a normal person can't just make private jet money. You have to go through the 6-7 years of this, you have to work for it. So I think even though it's frustrating, you're probably in a really good spot. Am I talking too much?
No, I
No,
agree.
I actually like that, Christine. If you're really frustrated right now with your trading, you're probably in a really good spot.
Yeah, probably.
Like seriously, can I say that?
Yes, I think so.
Oh, she's back. We got her.
It's part of the
Nina,
game, right?
Hi, Christian. Hi.
hi,
Hi,
love. How
everyone.
are
There
you?
you go.
I'm fine.
Isn't it crazy having like talking to someone for months and then just finally seeing them?
Yeah, crazy for it.
Well, glad to
How
have
is
you
my
here, Nina.
shitty camera doing? How is my shitty camera doing?
It's amazing.
You
So
look
did
great. I think you look great.
Yeah, the camera looks
Thank
good.
you.
did you take
camera
some
looks good. Your
today?
sound is good.
I'm using my Android phone.
Oh,
Oh,
nice.
so that's why your camera looks so good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
I need to start figuring out how to. That's what I think Austin does too. He streams from like his video from his phone, just better
Really?
quality. So I don't know what I'm gonna do in Mexico, Christine. Like you stream from your laptop. Are you in a laptop right now? You are, right?
Mm-hmm. I'm just using the laptop camera.
So I just went and bought more memory for my laptop yesterday because
Okay.
I want to make it faster to make sure I can run everything.
Right.
Because I can run Bookmap and all that stuff on it, but I've never tried running a stream and Bookmap and my charts. So
Yeah.
I'm gonna upgrade the RAM in it, so hopefully it'll be fast enough that I can. It should be. I did a bunch of research. I should be more than good.
Nice.
And then if the sun's up there for the open, I'm gonna get Christine to come stream with us on the roof. Of
Oh,
the place we're
fun.
staying at.
That'd be sweet. Yeah.
So that'll be the plan. What are you guys feeling? I'm gonna call it here. I'm gonna go say hi to Hillary and Miles. I'm good, done trading for the day. Nina
Yeah.
wants to hang out for a bit, and Dave's still in his short. Nina, did you take any trades today?
No, still flat. I wanted to short at 65.02, but it was pretty aggressive. I didn't trigger my remit order. So
Oh, you
yeah,
just
still
missed it.
flat. Yeah, I missed it. But I might find another opportunity to, if he wants to pull, but to continue higher to 64,880. But still early to conclude if I'll get in or not. Yeah.
Yeah, I don't love the shorts right now. If you throw a lower day VWAP anchor on and you look, it's. Let me. I will take David off. Dave, where's Dave's screen? How do I take him off this? Oh, right here. Sorry.
Oh, I think I accidentally clicked it off as you clicked same time. Here we go.
So if you look at this lower day VWAP anchor, right? We have a lower day. I can even put it on here. It'll be the same thing. But look at this hold of this lower day. We're back above
Yeah.
this previous day's value area low, and now we're sitting at previous day's point of control.
Mm-hmm.
I would look for, if you're going to get short, look to take profits down here somewhere in the 95s. Like you can scalp this down to here, but I can't see this now with these higher lows forming. I don't love this for the short side, at least up until we get to previous days New York and reject it.
So what I would want to for shorts is that we shift from higher lows and then we make lower highs.
Ah, I see.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like that. That's why I want to see. I would like to see what happens here up at the 65.04.
Okay.
I still got
Sorry,
that
I have to run
opening
this.
defense.
Sorry, I have to run as well because I have a call coming up. So, but we'll see you guys tomorrow. No.
Dave will be
Thursday.
streaming tomorrow, and then you'll see us Thursday.
Okay, I'll watch for a little bit
So
as you guys continue the stream.
What?
yeah. See you later, Christine.
Bye.
Hi, Christine.
Yeah, I don't know. Like, I don't personally like to trade too much after 8:30. Like, I know Nina, you have school in the morning, right? So you don't get to that. You don't actually get to really trade until like 8 a.m. like or until 11 a.m. now.
Yeah. It's not actually in the morning. It's basically 4 p.m. at my time.
I see.
Yeah.
So you're out of school at like 3 p.m. or something then, right? Or 4 p.m.
Yeah.
Well, that works out good. Then you get a little bit of the New York session, and then you're done for the day.
Yeah. And most of my trades I take them at 11, 10:30. So school doesn't harm a lot of things, but yeah, sometimes I miss some good trades with great momentum.
Well, I find, and we've seen it the past few weeks, where coming into like 11, 11, 11:30, 12, there's nice move reversals. Once
Yeah.
that bottom sets in, you get a nice rally into the end of the day.
Yes.
Or a sell-off. Yeah, definitely.
Oh, Mr. Short, all of a sudden, Dave. I'm going to call you Short Dave now.
Dev, did you exit your shorts or you still in?
I'm still in it. I got 2 contracts right now. It's creeping up towards my stop though. I got my stops at 64.05 and 64.0450 for my last two contracts there. So might get stopped out here.
Okay.
I need to mark up my trades.
Haven't done that yet either. I was actually looking at my my TradeZella reports, and a lot of my better trades are actually like at 1 to 2 hours after the open. Like that's my best hour for making profit basically. So I've been thinking about adjusting my trading time a bit, try to continue to be really patient in the morning, just kind of like take in all that price action and then make your decisions from that. I think Tanner said something about that. The more time you spend in the watching the charts, the more clarity you get. So Teddy, camera okay? Nice. Yep. Yeah, but since I've been in this trade, I haven't even considered any of my other accounts because I've been just waiting for this one to close, which is fine.
Is it my camera lagging or something?
No? Is
No,
someone
it's good.
commenting in the chat?
Just Teddy at 8:10. So it was actually 7 minutes ago. Said camera okay. So that's probably when she entered.
Oh,
Okay.
I see.
My
Nina, if
first
you want to
time.
share your screen, you can. If you go see that box where it says presenter invite, if you click on that, you can. It'll ask you to share your screen, and you can share your screen if you like.
It says add. Is it add? Okay. Let me see.
Presenter invite, then I'll say and then share the entire screen or that whatever window you want to share, depending on how your setup is.
So yeah. This is basically 2 levels I'm looking at, except when we form another level right here. So in my trading, I just have these two discretionary levels I mark, plus these 2 view ups on 15 minutes, the overnight and the previous New York and today's New York. So basically, it's just these 2 levels and these 2 view ups. So when we form like something like this in here, I'll just have my level like this and I look to long after a pullback, but I call that a B setup. It's not my favorite setup. Otherwise, I would like it to come to the downside again. But when you look back, it's like we are covering the top while yesterday we've been bullish. So I just need to sit on my hand and, take the best possible scenario. Yeah.
I like it.
But still, my levels are these ones.
Yeah, nice and clear, for sure.
Yeah.
And you have I think that's the big takeaway from me from everything you just said is you have a plan. And I think a lot of people lack having a plan. They just come in and be like, I'm going to short this here or long this here, or this is doing this, right? Where you have you're looking out and zooming out and have a thesis behind your trade. And I think that's what, like, Dave does that very well. Christine does that very well. You know, I try my best to do that. Is we have to just also zoom out and be like, we have these levels, and this is, everybody has different levels too. Nobody has to have the same levels. But as long as you build your thesis around something that you can see clearly, I think that makes a big difference.
Looks like we might get stopped out here pretty soon. 2 points away from my stops here. We had a pretty volatile reaction at the 6504s last time. So we'll have to see. Right at the New York VWAP right now.
I like these higher lows. Right now, are we going to form another higher low here at previous day's point of control? We're going to push higher off of that. Oh, we lost Nina again.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I'm kind of seeing a bear flag on this a little bit differently, but yeah, I agree. Could definitely making higher lows.
Are you looking to trade some more, Dave? Because I think I'm just going to call it here, buddy.
Okay. Yeah, we can wrap it up. I mean, I'm just playing around with these guys, so.
Okay, I'll here. Let's see if I can get. I'll message Nina and tell her.
Might get that bounce right here. Take me out.
We can probably start to work on a little bit of a schedule with everyone now too, I think.
Nice, yeah.
Just see who wants to stream when and when people want to be on, and I think it'll just be give a little more clarity to everyone. I know, Dave, you got a little bit of a schedule you put on your banner. I love that.
Yeah. Trying my best to keep to it. Sometimes life gets in the way. Yeah, so like this morning I woke up and I was like, you know what? I feel pretty good right now. I think I'm going to go to the stream.
That's good. But see, this is the one thing that I like about this stream, and whoever's still here in the chat, you know, the diehards, there'll always be someone on for market for New York Open, whether it's me, Dave, or Christine, or if Dave's not feeling well, like, you know, I'll jump in, or hopefully Nick's going to start coming on a little bit more. I'm going to try and get him to come on a little bit more. So, and then if anybody in the chat's interested and you want to come trade live, you're more than welcome to join us. It's an open floor.
We should we gotta get a Discord going maybe.
Yeah, so that's what I just started. Yeah, we started the stream one, but definitely a great idea, Dave. We should be getting a Discord going soon.
Just like our Trader Gang Discord or whatever you want to call it.
Yeah, no, 100%. And you gotta be on stream a certain amount of times before you get in. Like, you gotta be in the stream, in the chat enough. Like, we have our hardcores and.
Yeah.
Oh, is Nina back? I think maybe. Let's bring her back on and let's. You back, Nina? You having internet issues or?
Yeah, internet issues, I think. So.
Well, we were just saying, actually, Nina, we're going to call it here.
So.
And we were just asking everybody in the chat, but we'll figure out a better schedule. Yeah. And you know what I mean? If you want to come on at 11, then we stay on for a bit at 11. But I think, you know, it's a good crash course for you today.
Yeah, good intro anyways. And you got everybody to see you and us also.
Yeah, so we finally get to meet you. I've actually met Nina before, but
oh yeah, nice.
Everybody else in the chat and Dave and Christine. So I think that's it. So let's just wrap it up here, guys, and we will see what happens with the price action. I'm done trading today. I'm locked out of every account, so. Nice. I should actually accept.
Yeah, so you guys will know if we go above 64.05, I'll be out. But if we end up heading down to the 64.90s areas, I might end up taking some more profits down there. So that's kind of my game plan. Looking like we lost her again there, unfortunately. But
oh, okay. Well, everybody enjoy their day. We're gonna call it here and catch Dave tomorrow, and you know where to find me. And then I'll see you guys on Thursday. And check out those accounts. Again, code MBT for Dave, code 15 for Christine, code TRB for Randy. pick and choose who you want to use.
Yeah,
So
top one
we-
futures, guys.
We
Great
won't be
company.
offended. But anyways, enjoy the day, guys. We'll catch up tomorrow.
Peace out. Good luck.